Hey everyone, let's dive into our portfolio tool here, and we can access it inside our dashboard from the left side menu or from the top menu by clicking on the green portfolio icon. So this is how our intelligent portfolio tool works. We're going to combine different assets. We can compare up to 7, and the system will show us what is the best weight distribution inside our portfolio, so we can reduce risks and maximize profits. The objective of this portfolio tool is to find out our ideal portfolio weight distribution by using a Nobel Prize winner, the Markowitz portfolio theory. So this theory uses a specific formula to mathematically trade off risk tolerance and reward expectations, resulting in the ideal portfolio distribution. Right now we have an empty list. Whenever we add an asset to our portfolio, they're going to show up right here. So let's compare 2 different stocks as an example. Let's select Apple and let's also select Microsoft. Let's click here to calculate the best weight distribution, and now the system is going to calculate what is the best distribution for my portfolio if it consisted only of Apple and Microsoft. We see here that Apple has a suggested weight of 23% and Microsoft 77%. And we want to add these 2 stocks to our portfolio. We can come up here and search for the stock, or we can simply click on the ticker here to open it. We're going to open up Microsoft in a new tab, and we're going to open up Apple on this current tab. So this is a stock analysis for Apple, and up here next to the ticker, we can click on this icon to add it to our portfolio. While on this page, we are going to see a technical analysis by the interpreter, and we're also going to see different trade signals from the backtest lab and the candlesticks 48-hour trade signals. But up here, this is where we can click to add the stock to our list. So let's click on it. Now the system will automatically begin to calculate the distribution for our portfolio. So let's come up here to Microsoft. And let's also add it to our list in the same way by coming up here and clicking on the portfolio icon at the top of the page. Let's click on it. Once we add it, we see that Apple has already been added, but now Microsoft is also being calculated into this formula. We see here that the suggested weight distribution for an ideal portfolio is 77% Microsoft and 23% for Apple in this given portfolio. So the difference between what we just did and actually adding stocks to our portfolio is that in the portfolio tool, we can add up to 7 stocks and compare all of them at once. Down here, we will also see a 12-month investment evolution chart for our portfolio. And given that 77% is allocated to Microsoft and 23% of the portfolio is allocated to Apple, or $7,700 for Microsoft and $2,300 for Apple, given a $10,000 initial investment over a 12-month period. So let's add another stock to a portfolio and see how the weight will be distributed. So let's go up here and let's add Tesla. And we're going to go up here again on the top, and we're going to click on this portfolio icon to add it to our portfolio list. And we can see here that Tesla has been added to our portfolio, and the suggested weight distribution between the 3 assets is being calculated. Okay, we see here that Tesla comes in with just minimal change to our portfolio distribution at just 2%, and Apple dropped to 21%, and Microsoft kept its 77% dominance. So that's one of the ways we can add stocks to our portfolio list. Now let's say we want to remove a stock from our portfolio. So let's say we want to remove Tesla from the list. And we can come out here and click on the same icon that we clicked to add it. We can click on it from inside the portfolio and it will remove it from our list. We see here that Tesla has been removed from the portfolio. Now the system is calculating again the weight distribution without considering Tesla in the equation. And we can see here we have the same previous distribution of 77% Microsoft and 23% Apple without Tesla in it. And this is how we can add stocks to our portfolio and quickly find out the best weight distribution between them, so we can properly manage risk while maximizing our returns. Thanks for watching.